This is the 2006 Ford GT, and here are the reasons why it deserves to be in your garage. The Mark II black exterior accentuates its timeless supercar silhouette. Powering it will be a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This car is for the avid driver who lives for the thrill of shifting through gears and feeling the horsepower rumble through the cabin. Out of the 4,333 Ford GTs produced during this time frame, less than 50% were the 2006 model year, which makes this particular one a collector's dream. This specific Ford GT comes equipped with the 4 options available from the factory: painted brake rotors, racing stripes, 19-inch magnesium wheels, and the McIntosh stereo. You will also find an upgraded Ford Performance exhaust. Despite the Ford GT being the most expensive production vehicle Ford ever produced, this supercar provides drivers with a reliable drive every time. And if you ask us, it's worth every penny. So what do you think? Is it time for this Ford supercar to be parked in your garage? Please direct all inquiries to Hennessy Honda of Woodstock.